Hello, I'm Sonia Goins. Healthcare workers on the front line of the COVID-19 fight are in need of protective gear. Some local residents, including a woman from Maple Grove, are doing what they can to make sure healthcare workers have the tools they need to stay safe.
I do love sewing. It's probably my biggest passion, biggest hobby.
Ginger Pahos has a mini sewing factory in her downstairs basement.
The Singer Featherweight is a coveted machine of quilters.
It includes several retro sewing machines.
The red one, I call her Miss Alma. It's kind of fun to collect them. They're all working, they're all functional, they can all be used.
Ginger is used to making quilts, pillows, and dolls. But these days, her sewing machine is running nonstop for what she calls a passion project.
And so I came up with the design. The finished product is a mask that looks like a surgical mask, except for it's much cuter.
The Maple Grove resident is also a former nurse at Minneapolis Children's Hospital. She retired about a week ago and says she had to reuse masks.
We have a special room that was allocated for the storage of masks, so when your shift is done, you put that paper bag into that room, and then when you come back for your next shift, you pick up your mask again and have to reuse it.
After seeing the high demand for masks, Ginger used her sewing skills to craft homemade masks.
It fans out like a surgical mask. It has a bendable nose piece like a surgical mask so that there's some seal.
She says healthcare workers can use the mask in addition to their surgical mask.
I designed them with a pocket so that a surgical mask could be put inside, or they could just be worn over a surgical mask.
With fabric and elastic, she binds the mask together.
It's ready to be worn.
Hoping to keep healthcare workers and other people who deal with the public safe.
These are shown that they'll keep someone's bugs from, virus from leaving their mouth if they cough while you're in the room. They'll contain it a little bit.
The savvy seamstress says she will continue crafting masks for as long as she can.
I think it makes people feel better that they have something on, and I have to believe that having something covering your mouth and nose is going to be protection.
Now, Ginger has made about 25 masks. She says the first batch will go to her former co-workers. For more information on this story, check out our social media pages, or you can check us out on ccxmedia.org. In the studio, Sonia Goins, CCX News.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.